Amit Shah-led Southern Zonal Council meeting brought several of the South's biggest political and interstate issues to the table, from delimitation and women's reservation to Kaveri and Mullaperiyar. Chief ministers raised concerns ranging from political representation to water-sharing disputes. The 31st meeting of the Southern Zonal Council was held in Chengalpattu, Tamil Nadu, with chief ministers and senior officials from the southern states and union territories in attendance. Karnataka's Chief Minister D.K. Shivkumar made delimitation one of his key interventions. He urged the council to back the 1971 census as the basis for delimitation and called for the Lok Sabha's existing strength of 543 seats to remain unchanged for the next 25 years. Shivkumar argued that southern states should not lose political representation because they successfully controlled their populations. He also called for women's reservation to be accommodated within the existing 543 seats rather than waiting for a fresh delimitation exercise. The Kaveri dispute between Karnataka and Tamil Nadu also featured prominently. Shivkumar flagged Karnataka's Mekadatu project, arguing that it could benefit farmers in Tamil Nadu and Puducherry as well. Tamil Nadu, however, has opposed the proposed balancing reservoir, citing concerns over its impact on the state's interests. The meeting, therefore, brought the long-running Kaveri dispute back into focus.
The meeting has gone well. We have raised various issues in the interest of all the southern states. We have appealed to the Union Home Minister that we wanted to see that 1971 census should be there and no increase in the parliament. That is the main agenda. I think Tamil Nadu, Kerala, Telangana and myself, we all have come to the same agreement, majority of the southern states. So we appealed, and on other issues connected to our problems connected to various water issues, they have agreed to call a separate meeting and settle amicably. So I have made a commitment, I have given a commitment to the state of Tamil Nadu before the Home Minister that whatever Mekedatu water is, dam is there, even a single drop of water, except for drinking water of 5 TMC, the rest water will be left to Tamil Nadu itself from the Mekedatu dam. So Tamil Nadu and the Pondicherry shall be rest assured the dam will be built only for you, not for us.
Any reduction in the 543 and that we should be freezed with the 39. While 543 and 39 should be freezed, there is no change in our stand. And apart from that, definitely we are against NEET and we don't want NEET.
You mentioned that the numbers should not be reduced.
No. That is like more or less we wanted the same numbers to be maintained. It is a freeze to be maintained. So it is already like we are in a stand like where we are. And there is no change in our stand.
So also Amit Shah initiated a conversation on the Kaveri water management.
No, see, Kaveri, it is already very clear. We cannot discuss the Kaveri issue in this in any other meetings because it is already pending with the Supreme Court, and the Supreme Court has been monitoring all the Kaveri water management board, and lot of petitions are already pending in Supreme Court. So apart from Supreme Court, we cannot discuss Kaveri issue in any other forum or any other meeting or any other place. So definitely we are very cautious. Our CM was very cautious in this, and definitely Kaveri issue has not been discussed in this issue. So Mullaperiyar Dam, it is very clear, and they have been telling this for a long time. But several committees have already examined, done a clear examination, and told that the dam is already with full stability and it can withstand, and it is in a full stability. So definitely it is whatever Kerala claims is not correct, and definitely they have to obey to the Supreme Court order and raise the water level for the Periyar Dam. Thank you. No, it went well. It went well, and most of the Chief Minister in the stand with what our CM has raised. Thank you.
Kerala Chief Minister V.D. Satishan raised another major water issue, Mullaperiyar. Satishan said Kerala was willing to provide Tamil Nadu its full share of water from a new Mullaperiyar dam. Under Kerala's proposal, Tamil Nadu would handle the design, location and construction, while Kerala would bear the entire cost. Kerala has long maintained that the existing dam poses safety concerns, while Tamil Nadu has maintained that the structure is safe. Kerala CM Satishan also raised issues linked to healthcare funding, infrastructure, environmental protection, and regional security. He pressed for greater cooperative federalism and flagged the need to withdraw recent amendments to the Mines and Minerals, Development and Regulation Act. He also backed implementing one-third reservation for women in Parliament without increasing the strength of the House. The Southern Zonal Council is designed as a forum to address interstate disputes and coordinate on issues involving the centre and the southern states. The challenge now is whether these competing state interests can translate into consensus and concrete action.